Today, we will tour 12106 North 130th Drive in El Mirage, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Welcome to this well-maintained 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-story home in the heart of El Mirage. Featuring brand new carpet and brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. This home delivers a fresh, modern feel with a spacious layout designed for everyday living. The generously sized bedrooms offer flexibility for a variety of living arrangements. This home offers 1,836 square feet of comfortable living space. The open layout keeps the kitchen connected to the surrounding living areas, making everyday living both practical and inviting. The kitchen features a lovely breakfast bar, providing additional seating for casual meals. Outside, the low-maintenance backyard features attractive desert landscaping, pavers, and a fire pit, creating a welcoming outdoor setting that's ideal for relaxing or spending time with family and friends while requiring minimal upkeep. Conveniently located near US 60 and downtown El Mirage, you'll enjoy quick access to shopping, dining, parks, and everyday conveniences, all complemented by an easy commute to nearby communities. Upstairs, a massive loft provides even more versatile living space. This expansive area can easily serve as a second family room, additional living room, media room, game room, or workspace to fit your lifestyle. With its spacious floor plan, fresh interior updates, versatile loft, and convenient location, this home offers an exceptional rental opportunity in El Mirage. So if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Additional features of this home include ceiling fans, blinds, and spacious closets. Schedule a tour today and see everything this beautiful El Mirage home has to offer.